There's cards in there.
What is your...
Whoa, hold on, pause.
Whoa.
What am I looking at? What am I looking at right now?
Wait, are they all like that right now?
There's no
Did you go to
way.
any other City and Flames too?
This is old? Oh my god, did they add new stuff? Holy crap, we're going to every vending machine in the whole city right now. Okay, we have to look at that again because I almost don't believe what I just saw. Was it a glitch? Look, look, look.
That's crazy.
Oh my god.
I mean, cool, but
Obsidian Flames 36 pack.
that's crazy. Okay, but like, are they all like this though?
Alright, we're gonna go find out. We're gonna go a couple more.
Okay, so that one wasn't just a glitch. Yeah.
Let's check this Randall's.
Okay, so this
Oh, it's there.
should try your luck.
Just quit. Alright. Yeah, that's the same right there.
Well, that's interesting.